Welcome back, friends. Previously, we started exercise 11.4 and completed questions up to 1 to 8. Okay, today we will continue exercise 11.4 and with question number 9. So, what is the question number 9? The adjoint figure represents a rectangular lawn with circular flower bed in the middle. Find. So, 4 questions are given. This is a rectangular park and in that circular flower bed is there. Means here this all area is covered with the flower. So what we need to find? The area of whole land. So first of all you need to find area of this whole land including the flower bed. Now what is the shape of flower bed? You can say it is a rectangle. Means you need to find that area of a rectangle. Now what is the equation for an area of a rectangle? That is length multiply breadth. It means you need to value length and breadth. So is that given in equation? Yes. Here it is breadth and length is given 10 meters. So we can write L is equal to 10 meter and B is equal to 5 meter. So area of rectangular length is equal to length multiplied breadth. Here length is 10, breadth is 5, so it is 50 meters square. So what is the area? It is 50 meters square. Now second question is the area of flower bed. So here area of flower bed, you need to find this area. Now what is the shape of this? It is a circle. It means you need to use equation for an area of a circle. So what is the equation for area of circle? It is pi r square. It means you need radius. So is that given? Yes, radius is given 2 meter. So we can write r is equal to 2 meter. That's why area of circle is equal to pi r square. Here you can take pi 3.14. R square it means 2 square. 2 square means 2 multiplied 2 times. So 3.14, 2 square is 2 multiplied 2. That is 4. So multiply 3.14 with 4. So it is 12.56 meters. Now next question. The area of lawn excluding the area of flower. Now next question. Here you need to find this area. Excluding this flower bed. So how can we find? If we perform the subtraction from the area of this rectangular part, if we subtract the area of this circle, then we get area of remaining lawn. So area of circle is rectangle is 50 meters square and area of circle is 12.56 meters square. So you can write area of lawn excluding flower bed is equal to 50 minus 12.56. So that will give 37.44 meters. Clear? Now next one, circumference of flower bed. So here from this is the circumference of flower bed. So circumference equation is 2 pi. So we can write circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi is 3.14 and r is 2. So that will give 12.56, but now unit is meter because circumference will be measured in meter. Now question number 11. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Here AC is 22 cm, BM is 3 cm, BN is 3 cm, BN is perpendicular to AC and DN is perpendicular to AC. So this is the quadrilateral. Now what is the quadrilateral? It means it is a polygon with 4 sides. Here in a figure you can see this line is 22 cm and this is the perpendicular distance. Now we divide this quadrilateral into 2 triangles. You can see this is upper triangle ABC and this is is the lower triangle, that is AC. If we find area of ABC and area of ACD, and after that we add, we get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Clear? Now to find the area of a triangle, what is the equation for area of triangle? That is 1 by 2 height multiplied base. It means we need two values, height and base. So for triangle ABC, height is given, yes, this is the perpendicular distance, and base is given 20. So we can find the area of ABC. Now for ACD, height is given, you can see it is a perpendicular distance, and AC is given. So we can find the area of both triangle, upper triangle and lower triangle, and then we add to get area of quadrilateral. So let's start. Area of triangle ABC, that is 1 by 2 height into base. So here for ABC, let's consider this is M and this is M. Height is BM and base is AC. BM is 3 given and AC is 22. So that is 33 meters square, centimeters square. Now area of ACD, that is 1 by 2 height into base. Height is given BN and base is given AC. So that is 1 by 2. BN is 3, AC is 22. So it is 33 centimeter square. So area of upper triangle is 33 centimeter square. Area of lower triangle is 33 centimeter square. So area of ABCD will be addition of both, that is 33 plus 33 is 66 centimeter square. Now next question, question number 10. In the following figure, find the area of shaded portion. So here you can see this figure is given and we need to find the area of this shaded portion. So how can we find this area of a shaded portion? So you can see there is no equation for this kind of shape. But you can see this is a triangular shape. And this is also triangle, let's give this name M. So this is our triangle and this is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2. So from rectangle, if we subtract the area of this triangle and area of this triangle, we get this area. Okay, if we have a rectangular paper and we cut this kind of triangle and this kind of triangle, then we get remaining area, that is of this shape. Clear? So from total area of a rectangle, if we subtract area of triangle A, let's name D, ADM, and area of DBC. It is given here, so let's consider this as the N. So NBC. If we subtract two area from rectangle, then we get the area of the shaded portion. Now to find the area of a rectangle, what we need? Length and breadth. So here in a rectangle, length is given 18 centimeter and breadth is given 10 centimeter. So we can find the area of a rectangle. So area of rectangle ABCD, that is what? AB multiplied BC. Now here AB is 18, BC is 10, so it is 180 centimeter. Now to find the area of a triangle, what is the equation? That is 1 by 2 height into base. Means we need 2 value height and base. So is that given in equation? So yes, for triangle A and M, height is this one, that is a perpendicular, and base we will consider as a 10 centimeter because it is a right angle triangle. We know that in a rectangle this angle is 90 degree. And in a right angle triangle, its height and base will be two sides that making a right angle. So here we can consider AM as a base and AM as a height. So area of triangle A and M will be 1 by 2 height into base. Now what is the height? That is AM. And what is base? That is AM. So 1 by 2. AM is 6 centimeter, AM is 10 10 centimeter. So here we can find that it is 30 centimeter square. Now for this triangle, it is triangle B and C. That is again 1/2 height into base. Now what will be the height? You can see that it is also right angle. So you can consider BN as a base and BC as a height. So 1/2 BN multiply BC. Here BN is given 8 and BC is given 10. So it is 40 centimeters. Now area of shaded portion will be area of ABCD minus area of triangle A and M plus area of triangle B and C. From the total area we will separate these two areas. So that is 180 minus 30 plus 40. So 180 minus 70 is 110 centimeters. Clear? Now next question is, this kind of figure is given and you need to find the shaded portion. Again it is a triangle, but it is height and base of a triangle is not given. In this figure, this shape is of triangle. But for this triangle, if height and base is given, then it will be easy to find area. But here in a figure, height and base is not given. So for that, it is the square. So we will find the area of this first triangle, area of the second triangle, area of this third triangle, and area of a square. And from area of a square, we will separate the area of this three triangles. Clear? So let's find area of square. That is PQRS. So PQ multiply QR. Here 10 multiply 10, that is 100 centimeters. Now for this triangle, let's consider this first triangle PQT. Area of triangle PQT, that is 1/2 height into base. Now what will be the height? Here this angle is right angle, so PT will be height and PQ will be base. So PT, here this length is 10 centimeter and this whole length, sorry, it is 400 because this side is 20 centimeter. Clear? Now if this length is 10 and whole length is 20, so remaining is also 10 centimeter. So PT will be then PQ, that is this side 20. So it is 100 centimeters. Now area of triangle TUS, that is 1/2 height into base. Now what will be the height in TUS? So TS, that will be height, and SU, that will be base. So TS is 10 and SU is also 10. So it is 50 centimeters. Now for next one, area of QRU. So for QR, what will be the height? QR and base will be UR. So QR is 20 and this one is 10. So it is 100 centimeters. Now area of shaded portion. So from 400, that is a total area, we need to subtract 100, 150. So area of shaded portion is equal to 400, that is the total area of the square, minus 100, that is the area of this triangle, 50 that is area of triangle 2 and 100 that is area of the triangle. So 400 minus 250. So that is 150 centimeter square area of shaded region. Now let's take some extra examples. So here one circle is given. We need to find the shaded portion here that is given in a figure. So this is a circle. In center we have a rectangle and we need to find the remaining area excluding the rectangle. So how can we find this remaining area? If we find the whole area of a circle and area of a rectangle, and if we perform the subtraction, then we will get the remaining area. But to find area of a circle, what is the equation for area of a circle? That is pi r square. It means to find the area we need a radius. So what will be the radius for this circle? It is not given. But in a rectangle, this rectangle is at the center. So if we find this diagonal, then it will be the diameter of circle, and from diameter we can find the radius. Clear? So first of all, using this rectangle, we will find the diagonal of circle. Now what is the diagonal? So here, this length is given 6, this length is given 8. Now it is a right angle triangle. So in 6th chapter we learn about the Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras Theorem is what? If it is a right angle triangle, then sum of square of its two sides, let's consider this as a ABC. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That is a diagonal, or you can say hypotenuse. Now for this triangle, this BD will be hypotenuse. So we can find the BD. In triangle ABC, AB square plus AD square is equal to BD square. Clear? So here our AB is 8 centimeter, so it is 8 square. AD is 6 centimeter, so it is 6 square is equal to BD. That will give a diagonal. So BD square is equal to 8 square, that is 64. 6 square, that is 36, so it is 100. That is what? BD square. Now to find BD, this square becomes square root on opposite side. Now square root of 100 means 100 means 10 multiplied 10, so it is 10 square. Instead of square root, you can consider this 10 square. Square cancel, so it is 10 centimeter. So diameter is 10 centimeter. We can consider 10 centimeter. So radius will be what? 5 centimeter. Divide diameter with 2. So it is 5 centimeter. Now we have a radius 5 centimeter. So we can find the area of a circle. That is pi r square. Pi is 3.14. Radius is 5 multiplied 5. R square means 5 multiplied 5. So multiply 3.14 with 25. It is 78.50 centimeters. Now area of a rectangle. That is L multiplied 2. For rectangle, length is 8 and breadth is 6. So 48 centimeters square. So area of shaded portion is equal to area of a circle, that is 78.50, minus area of a rectangle, that is 48. So it is 30.50 centimeters. question. The circumference of two circles are in ratio 2:3. Find the ratio of the area. This kind of equation can be asked for MCQ also. So here what is the question? Circumference of two circles is given in a ratio 2:3. So let's say circumference of circle are C1 and C2. So C1 will be for a first circle. We are considering C1, that is the circumference of first circle. That is what? 2 pi r1. Only the radius can change. Pi value is same, 2 is a constant, so it is same. C2 will be 2 pi r. It means ratio of C1 is to C2. It means ratio of 2 pi r1 is to 2 pi r2. So C1 and C2 ratio is given 2:3. So we can write 2 pi r1 divided 2 pi r2 is 2 by 3. We can cancel this pi. So r1 divided r2 is equal to 2 divided 3. It means r1 can consider as a 2 and r2 is considered as 3. So now ratio of area. So that is A1 divided A2. So what is the equation for an area? That is pi r square divided pi r2 square. But here we find that r1 is equal to 2. So pi cancel. Here r1 is 2 square and r2 is 3 square. So that is 4 by 9. So ratio will be 4:9. Clear? So whenever this kind of example is given, you need to find first the ratio of radius. So you get value of radius and that you will use to find the next ratio. Clear? Now next one. The area of two circles are in the ratio 16:25. Find the ratio of the circumference. So again we can write area of a circle, that is A1 and A2. What will be changed? Only radius. So here A1 is to A2. Let's say A1 is pi r1 square and A2 will be pi r2 square. So ratio of A1 is to A2 is equal to pi r1 square is to pi r2 square. So we can write pi r1 square divided pi r2 square is equal to ratio of circle area is given 16 divided 25. So pi cancel. R square is 16 and r2 square is 25. So we can write it as a 4 square divided 5 square. So r1 square divided r2 square is equal to 4 square divided 5 square. So r1 divided r2 will be 4:5. We can cancel out this square because it becomes a square. So ratio of r1 is to r2 will be 4:5. Now we have a value of r1 and r2. So what will be the circumference? So ratio of circumference, that is 2 pi r1 is to 2 pi r2. So 2 pi r1 divided 2 pi r2. Pi cancel, 2 cancel. r1 is what? 4, r2 is 5. So it is 4:5. So if area ratio is 16:25, then its circumference ratio is 4:5.